Okay guys, so here's where the garlic is. There's a row of onions right there. So on the other side of the tree where the bucket is, I'm going to put the walking onions that a generous friend of mine has given me. And I'll walk over here so you can see. Let me get my shovel here. All right, and I'm just going to plant them in this row here, okay? Right along about, I'd say half a foot, maybe a foot away from this log. And I'll be back to share updates. Okay, here's a little update. I got 3 in the ground. I put a scoop of my dirt here on top, and they'll just grow. So you can see I parted the leaves. I'm gonna put the leaves around them just as a little extra, they can break down, they can hold the water kind of stuff. Okay, here's where I'm at. I'll be back. Okay, whew, that was a little bit of work on my knees there. So here's my row. Please comment, like, subscribe. Tell me if you think my addition to the food forest is going to work. I sure hope they do.